In this video, I'm going to show you how to make hand tool default in Adobe Acrobat. So the first thing you have to do, you want to open any document, then you want to click on the hand tool up top, and with your hand tool selected, you want to go to the top left and click on edit, and then click on preferences, and then you want to go into general, and then inside general here, you want to switch touch mode from auto detect to always. So when you do that, just close it down, press OK, whatever is on your screen, and then whenever you open up any new document like this, for example, you'll see that it's going to automatically select the hand mode just like this, okay? And now the hand tool is now your default, and if I even close down my Acrobat over here, I'm going to close these tabs over here, and if I reopen Adobe Acrobat like this, you'll see that it's going to get me basically my hand tool selected like this, and I of course have this as my new default. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.